Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, you are welcome back to this tutorial. So these are our dashboards. As usual, we need to click on these three dots to open up our menu. So I'm going to click on that now. So what we need to do now is, first of all, we have already set up our site. We have created pages in our previous classes. So now what we're going to do now is to I need to install some plugins, which is our page builder plugin. So I'm going straight to plugin. So click on plugin. You click on add new. Install plugin means plugin that's already been installed. You want to check them out. Then add new means you want to add new plugins. So I'll click on add new. So these are my plugins. So I'm going to search for site origin. Site origin. The page builder. Okay, page builder by site origin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on install. There is also another. This is site origin widget bundle. So I'm going to install both of them. Click on install. So I'm going to install this one also. Install both widget bundle and just search for site origin. Search for site origin, and so your page will pop up. So what I'm going to activate this. Alright, these are site origin. Now we need to activate the second one. So go straight to your plugins or install plugins. Here you can see the plugins that will be activated and those that are not activated. Our site origin widget bundle has not been activated because we already activated our main page builder. So I'm going to click on activate. These are activate here. You can see that. So I'm clicking on it now. Activate. Alright, let me scroll down to check. Okay, you can see that site origin widget bundle, it has been activated now. Okay, so now we are good to go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going straight to my home page. I want to set up my home page. Or there are pages, into pages, or pages. Alright, click on home page. You can see it's my front page. Alright, this is my home page. What I'm going to do now. Alright, so this is my home page. You can see we installed a page builder. You can see it right here. That's the page builder we just installed. So I'm going to click on it. You can see what happens here now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make use of this 3-dot line. Click on that. So it will show you row. Row means if I make this one 50-50, if I should insert this row 50-50 row, it means that my website I will be able to separate it into two. I don't know if you understand that. Like let's say I'm putting images, it's meant to be buzzed into two. I'm sharing my website into two columns. It's not two rows, I mean to say. So I need 3 rows because I'm going to be adding images alongside with write-up, so they're going to be in 3 different rows. So I'm going to add one here. I'll make that one 3. Okay, you can see we have 3 rows already. So I'm going to click on insert. Okay, you can see the TV role here. You can see the TV role here. If you don't understand what I just did, you can go back and just try to take the video backward. I clicked on here. I clicked on my role. Excuse me. Alright. So what I did was I clicked on here, selected my row. It was 2 by default. Now it's 3. What this means is that I'm going to have 3 images on my website, and they're going to be 3 row for the images, and I'm going to add write-ups at the bottom of the image. Alright, so what do we do now? Alright, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this. This is the bundle. This is the widget bundle that we installed. So I'll click on it. Alright, once you click on it to pop up, I want to add up an image to my website. I'm adding image to my website. I'll click on it. Alright, you can see. Okay. So I'm going to pick the image I want to use. You can click on choose media. Struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up Nigeria, let your light shine bright. You got tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Yeah, you choose your media from here. So you just click on search image. You click on choose media, and it's going to pop up media for you. Your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Rise up Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Alright, I think I'm finding it difficult to click on my phone. Just hold on. I'm going to edit this my site origin, which is this movie. So I'm going to click on that. So click on choose image. I'll select file. Go to download. I need to check my gallery. Most of what I'm looking for in my gallery. Okay. So these are the images. Just click on this. So wait for it to load. Alright, let me pick this one. We just wait for it to load. So I'll have to pause the video and I'll come back later and allow it to load. So I'm currently finding it difficult to add media. I guess it's because of this my screen recording app is hanging my phone. Hello, you are welcome back. So we're talking about adding media. I'm kind of finding it difficult to add media, so we'll just go ahead now. When I click on my add media, I'll just click on new, add new media. So click on gallery. What I want to add is in my gallery, so I'll go to the gallery. this one. Okay. Alright, this is what we want to add. So now these files, they're already in my media. Let me show you something. If I go straight to library, sorry, let me go back. I go straight to library. So this is the media library. It's supposed to show me all the media that I have here. Okay, I already have this one before. Alright, let me there's one particular click on select file. There's one particular one. So just wait for it to load. Oh, that was very fast. It doesn't. There is here already. Here is it. So now we can proceed to our website. So what I'm going to do now is to go straight to what we just did here is to upload all the images that we need. So I'm going straight to pages now. I want to access my home page because I click on all pages. I want to build, that's the page you want to build. So click on home page. Challenges we face, hands tied in place, struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Alright. You can see we have page builder here. Okay. So this is the page builder, site origin page builder we installed. So just one click. So what I'm going to do first of all, we're going to click on this three dot here to bring in our row, which is to share to share our website to different rows. So you click on that, very compulsory. If you are putting on an image and you're going to move from the left to right, that means covering your entire screen. You don't need to do this, but what I want to do, I need to add 3 images. If I'm using a system, it's going to be 3, but if you're using phone, 1 image will show at a time. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to click on it. So by default it is 2. Now what you are seeing here now is 50-50. That means you are sharing your web page into 50-50. But I want it to be 3 because I'm going to put on 3 different images and 3 different write-up for each of them. So I need to add to the column. I'll make it 3. Alright, this is 3. So I'm going to click on insert. Sorry. I'll click on insert. It's 3.3%. So here you have it. Alright, there's something else I want to do. A header. I need to have a header image. So I'm thinking to do that. I'll go back here. Click on it. This time around, I'm going to reduce it to 1. Just 1. Okay, I'll click on insert. I'll click on insert. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to move this particular one upward. It needs to be up here because this is my header image. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll just click on this. I will drag it up. Let me show you what I did. With this arrow sign, you need to hold it, then drag it. Let me do it again. I can drag it down. Then you can drag it up. on your screen. Very easy. So now I want to add now an image here. So I'm going to click on this. This is my bundle. You know, we installed two plugin. You can go back and watch the former video. We installed Site Origin Page Builder, which is what we are using now. Then the Site Origin bundle is what we have here. This is the widget bundle. So here, I click on that. I'm looking for image, Site Origin button, Site Origin features, Site Origin image. Okay. So I'm going to put image here. You can see the way it displays by itself. So it's going to open up like this. I'm going to choose media. It's better you already have everything you need. So I need this particular one. So I'm going to click on it. Insert media. So here you can add some stuff. If you want the image to be clickable, you can add the standard URL here. You can copy the link to any page, the link of any page in your admin dashboard, and copy it here. Or you want to link the image to another website, you just put it here. This for the URL. Here you have the image size is going to be full width, so I'm not going to resize that. Alright. So you can scroll down. So I'm going to click on that full width. So that should be sure. Click on done when you are done. Alright, so we should update our home page now. Network is very slow.
Challenges we face, hands tied in place, struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up, Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Challenges we face, hands tied in place, struggle day and night, but we keep up the fight. Rise up, Nigeria, let your light shine bright. Youth of tomorrow, bring us to new heights. Battles we endure, strength inside and pure, unseen yet so strong, we all belong. Hold on tight, don't let go. Together
Alright now. So sorry for that. I'm going to open up this page in another window so that I don't want to close this particular one. So I'm going to open this new tab. As you can see, this is my header image. So let's go back. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add images to this 3 as in here. So I will click on it, click on the particular I want to add image to. So I'll click on this. Search for image. Site Origin image. Click on the one. So picking this one. Insert. Then full it. Done. Then click on this one. Just want to add 3 image. Though you know I can't show it.